Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to use mouse as a keyboard. How can you use your mouse as a keyboard? In this video I will show you that. Guys, if your keyboard is lost, if your keyboard is not working, so how can you use your keyboard? In this video I will show you that. But if you have a only mouse, you can use your keyboard with your mouse. I will show that. So for that you just need to go on search bar and type for keyboard, keyboard, and after type keyboard you can see there have a option on screen keyboard. So you just need to simply open on this on screen keyboard, and then there you can see your keyboard is here, and you can use your keyboard with mouse like that. I going to type here and then one is king. So here you can see it's typing. So in this way you can use your mouse as a keyboard here. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.